I do not know how you make your basmati rice, but if you try this recipe, then you will not make your rice any other way. Okay, so I'll be adding 3 cups of rice to my bowl. Now I'm going to wash this. I'll be adding salt, then I'll add water. Now with my hands, I'm going to wash this rice. So this process is just washing the rice till it comes out clean, till it's no longer starchy. You're not seeing that starchy water. So just wash out till it comes out very clean. Now I'll be adding hot water. So listen very carefully. I'll be adding hot water to this, and I'll cover with this plate, and I'll set it aside to rest for an hour. Yes. So after an hour, this is what it looks like. I'll just drain it out, and this is the logic I use. A cup of water for a cup of basmati rice. So since it's 3 cups of rice, I'll be using 3 cups of water. So I brought the water to a boil, and I'll be adding my rice. Now I added salt to this, and I'm going to cover and allow it cook on a very low heat. So this is my induction cooker knob, and this is 2.5, so it's a very low heat, and I cooked this for about 20 minutes and it's ready. The water is dried up and the rice came out fluffy. I didn't add oil, just water and salt, and the rice is ready. So simple. So try this recipe and let me know how it goes. How do you make yours? I'm sure if you try this, you will not be making your rice any other way. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.